My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Jaguar F-Pace. This vehicle has done 67,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we have navigation as feature, as well as media, Bluetooth, eco data, Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode, and heated seats. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. We also have the choice of 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.